Hey, welcome back to Smokey BBQ'ed's YouTube channel, part 2 of the peanut butter recipe series. So what we have before you is gosh, it's a beautiful, of course I cooked it, so I'm going to say it's a beautifully cooked tri-tip, but we just did a reverse sear on it, did some salt, pepper, and a little bit of peanut butter powder. I'm not sure that's going to come through in a flavor at all, but I guess we'll see. Cooked it probably 275 for about 1 hour. Internal temperature was 115. Took out the egg deflector, got it going, the big green egg going good and hot, and then went ahead and seared it in the egg, probably about 400 to 500 degrees. I'm not really sure how it ended. It was getting a little dark outside. Of course, I'm doing a lot of talking and not much cooking right now. Same with the pit. So I'm going to slice this thing up here first, and then we'll go ahead to the next step on what you want to do with this guy here. I think that's just a nice steak, nice tri-tip, if you ask me. I'm doing the wrong side. It's going this side. Nice striations. As you can see, the grain is going this way across it. So when you cut it, make sure you're going perpendicular to the grain. So I'm going to start slicing it this way. That's pretty good for now. Next step, I'm just not going to stop with just regular old amazingly sliced tri-tip tonight. All right. Oh, so much good stuff going on here. Okay. We want to do, take a knife, get some nice fresh peanut butter on this guy. Okay. Now it's going to go ahead and roll it up. And now that we have them some of them all rolled up and toothpicked, go ahead and use we have a homemade jalapeno pepper jelly. It's the same recipe that we used in the last video for the series in the ABTs we used for the jelly. Now this is going to be a dipping thing for our peanut butter. I'm going to remove my toothpick so I don't bite into that. Cannot wait. That's awesome. That's just, it takes, like peanut butter and jelly, but the bread's the meat. Oh, that's just, oh, it's gonna double dip. Can't do that. Oh well. Well, until next time, everybody, I would say thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video in the series. We're doing some a dessert with some good peanut butter and a good barbecue too. So until next time, keep barbecuing America, and cheers.